Hey guys, we're back. It's been a little bit of a hiatus, but we are going to yank out the oven today.
Yep, I'll try to anyway.
Okay, I said we, I mean him. He's going to yank out the oven because we watched videos and they said it was heavy. You're my big strong man. Allergies are laying him low, guys. When they talk about Virginia allergies, it's real. All right, let's get to it so this poor thing can get back into an air-conditioned house. Alrighty. So here we are. Steve's already diving in. There's how the sink was left when we camped last. I haven't gotten in here and cleaned like I wanted to because, you know, catching death is not ideal.
How we did this.
I don't remember how you did this.
There's like a tab or something you have to like push.
Oh, I think I see it right there.
Yeah.
Well, lucky. It doesn't matter if you accidentally gouge or ruin the countertop because we are replacing it.
I forget how that works. Oh, there it is. Yeah.
Did you already undo the screws?
They're underneath.
Oh, this is just the top thingy.
Yeah.
It's a technical term. Top thingy. There's some burnt spaghetti down there.
Yeah.
Better than mom's spaghetti. Or maybe it's not better than mom's spaghetti.
No screw there. That's weird. No screw there.
Did we not put back in this? No, we didn't. Well, I guess we had to have. Huh. Only 2 screws. Oh, I see how you're doing it. Up underneath there. That's easy. Alright, cool. Well, thankfully this is the only task we have to do today since all of your allergy meds have decided to not work. I wasn't leaving you at the brewery to can stuff, right? Like you were going to come back or?
Yeah, I'm going back later.
Okay.
Wrench. I don't know if this gets big enough. I'll make sure the propane's unhooked.
Really? That's funny. Propane's been unhooked since last August.
That was kind of funny, actually. I wish this was on this side. There's not much room to work with.
You could just cut it.
Actually, I think I have to go the other way.
Oof. Careful. Needing a tetanus shot today seems like not a fun thing to do.
Alright. The guy in the video made it seem like this thing weighed like 500 pounds.
Does it? Ooh, careful. Don't damage that. We're not replacing that.
This thing might weigh 25, 30.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, so I probably could have done it. I appreciate your help, though.
Like, I watched him struggle with that thing. I thought it was going to kill him.
I did too. Like,
Alright. It's out.
well, hot dang. Okay. What else do you want to do with the rest of our day? We get to go buy a new countertop. That's fun.
Yeah. Here with these screws.
Well,
Doesn't really matter. Huh?
let's say, what are we doing with the oven? Doesn't matter. You threw away the screws. All right.
They were stripped anyway.
Well,
2 of them were.
the oven's out. Now I guess I should take some measurements. Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Not to make more work for you today, but how easy is it to undo the sink and we could just lift out the countertop, or is that a job for another day?
Why'd you wait until the camera was rolling to ask me that?
Because I just thought of it.
I mean, this
That's
thing's,
how my brain works.
this thing's not bad. We'd have to undo the faucet though, and then
Yeah.
there's screws like in all kinds of different places.
Well, and we just got to cut the caulk because we're reusing these two things. It can wait. I mean, I gotta, like I said, I'm gonna go buy the countertop today.
There's screws under here. I think there's some over here. There's some in the back over here. I want to say there's some up in the front here.
I'm not sure there are any. There's definitely none here. That's why that's warping.
No, but I think there are some back here.
Okay.
It's not hard. It's
I got
a little involved.
Paint stuff, like depending on how things go, I'm gonna have to touch up paint. All right, so
Can we just like put some cushions in there? It'll be my new chair.
let's look at really.
What?
Where are we gonna put the new induction cooktop? No, that's not. That's not. No. Are you gonna cook on the floor with Brady? You're so ridiculous. Oh, we do need to figure. What is that? Maybe it's grease. No. So we also have to figure out what we're doing with that. That's a you
We're
job.
gonna pull it out. Give it the old yank.
That's what she said. All right, hang on. I gotta figure out best way for me to read. So this is 20 and a half wide. No, 20 and a quarter. Yeah, 20 and a. 3/16. 20 and 3/16 wide. I don't know. Well, I guess. So the face frame on the convection ovens I've been looking at, they're 24 inches. I think this is 3 inches or so. Let me see what it says. 3.5 inches. So this is 3.5 inches. So 3.5 inches. We need 20 and a half for 24. Alright, so it does. I mean, we've got the space here for overlapping for that face frame. The hole is obviously much bigger than we need for the convection oven, but it could fit. We would have to build up, you know, some of this, like add wood.
Which way is the convection oven going? I thought it was going. Or the you mean the okay?
The microwave convection.
I was thinking induction, not convection.
But hang on, I never actually measured this. See if we could just put it in this hole. Oh,
I would rather do that.
yeah, honey, I think it's gonna work this way. I think we could just pop. Height-wise, might be problematic. Like I'd have to look at everything again.
We can just.
Like 24 is definitely big
If
enough
you
here.
need more height, we can just move this up a little
Yeah,
bit.
and we could just close this off a little bit. Yeah. So we could put the convection microwave up here, and then just we have storage.
Mm-hmm.
Off the top of your head, do you know how big the Instapot is?
No, I do not. It would fit there.
Maybe with the top off.
Yeah.
But we'd have
Well, the
space
smaller
for the
one.
convection. Well, yeah, the smaller one.
Yeah, the small one definitely fit.
Well, cool. Alrighty then. So, yeah, gonna have to come up with a game plan for this to build. I think we'll just put a stile here, across here, and we can just pocket hole it on either end, and just come up with a cabinet door. Which leads us to: do you want a cabinet door, or do you want it to be open storage?
I don't care.
Open storage is easier because we don't have to build a cabinet door.
Yeah. Fine with me.
It'd be cool if it was like a bread box door. Like if I was talented enough to do a bread box, it would be awesome. Okay, well, I'm gonna do some searches. All right, well, cool. That was today's project. Other than the fact that I probably should clean, but I'll come out and do that later. I gotta take this off. I might have to come out. Do you think the heat gun or like my hair dryer will work off the back of the truck?
Yep.
Okay. So I'm gonna take off all of this backsplash and I'm gonna redo it
Okay.
because the countertop is gonna be a lot higher. So.
Yeah, that's fair.
All right. Well, that's it. That's all I needed to do for today. Thank you so much for your effort.
You're welcome.
You were awesome and integral to this process.
It was very easy.
Don't you wish all my projects were that way?
I do.
All right, well, cool. That it took a lot less time. I'm gonna need the truck at some time tonight to buy the countertop.
Sounds good.
All right, peace. Yay. Are you good? You're already recording.
I'm recording.
All right, so we've had this for a couple of days. You remember when we would first get Amazon packages and we're like, oh my gosh, Amazon came, and like we were so excited to open the packages.
Yeah, now they pile up.
They do pile up.
It's like a disease.
Like, there are so many between the brewery and just us. Like, oh yeah, what Amazon's drop it off now. And then we forget about it, and sometimes we lose packages. You probably shouldn't be swaying like that, they're gonna get sick.
Oh, yeah. I mean, you're being very gentle with this box. I think you could probably just cut it open.
I don't know. You know what it is? It's like every once in a while, when I'm opening Christmas gifts, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna save this paper. Because I've become that. Like that person. I'm like, no, I'm gonna save this paper. It's really nice Christmas paper. I'm gonna reuse it. It's like that wasn't a conscious decision. It just kind of evolved to be.
Can't see anything.
I understand nothing so far of the words I can see. It's packaged well.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully nothing's broken. Oh, there's a cord. Okay.
We had to start a new video here. I accidentally hit your button and Siri came up and it got all weird.
Oh, goodness. That's all right. We'll just place it together and say, we're smart. All right, so yes, I need to take my frozen medicine still. Was it last night I couldn't open something? Thanks. Oh, goodness. Okay. Here. Oh, there's feet. So here are the feet over here. So we'll get the new countertop and then we can just lay this right down in. Oh, that looks nice.
I guess we can plug it in and
oh yeah, we can try it out, yeah.
see what the buttons and stuff do.
Probably should have made glass. Not glass, plastic. Words. Words are fun. Oh, we gotta reroute that. We gotta reroute power down below from the microwave.
I guess
That should be easy.
do we want to put the feet on while it's
I
sitting
guess
on our
maybe we
island?
should.
Yeah. Because hot air is going to come out of
Here,
here.
can you? Or,
With my
here.
single hand, yeah.
Yeah, with your single hand. Like, Hulk it. I got it. That cuts it.
So we'll cut it out.
Yeah, we'll cut it out of the countertop. Don't pull on it.
I'm not touching. Oh, I was touching. I
You
wasn't
were
pulling.
touching.
I was pushing.
Oh, well, what the hell? It didn't go in. It's like, I need a screwdriver. Look, my thread went down in.
That's all right.
You see it?
I see it.
Look at that helpful thing. We have screwdrivers here.
Sorry, this one did it too.
I'm trying to do this left-handed, and I am not left-handed.
Here, why don't you come on this side? I'll hold it, and you can just screw it into place.
Because I don't have a thread. Why don't you put away the camera for right now? We'll just...
You got it.
Recording it? Okay. So, now that we've got the feet on, and we've put all of our pretty fingerprints all over it. Watch it set off. Isn't this the outlet that kind of sets off the GFCI sometimes?
Yeah, it's fine. It's
Says,
too many
I
ones.
assume that's off and not of. Like, what do you even do?
OnlyFans.
Only fan? Oh. Okay, I'm slow. I don't know what to do. Okay. I don't know what it says to do. I did get the one. It's supposed to have a child lock. Oh, yeah, there's the lock. What'd you do?
I hit the power button.
Oh, well, I guess that's a good place to start. This is why you're the chef and I just eat your delicious food. We don't have any pans here that we can put on top.
Told you, men don't use instruction manuals.
I know.
We just push buttons until it works.
Okay, that seems like a terrible
And
plan
there's
sometimes.
a timer.
And then this is the child lock.
Mm-hmm.
Is it gonna get red? I'm kind of glad, given how tall this sits, how that we decided to drop it in to the new countertop on the rig.
Faux show.
What symbol is that? I'm gonna look at least for the symbols in the thingamajigger.
I think it's. Hopefully, it's not like a 9 and it's just missing lines.
Right. Let's see. I'm looking. Oh, maybe it's. Could it be? No, that's not that symbol.
I mean, it started as a 9, then it changed to that.
Maybe that's like the heating up symbol.
Could be.
Like I'm trying to see if they have a.
I don't know how induction cooktops work.
I don't either. I wish they just had a glossary.
You might need like an induction pan on there to actually,
Right.
heat up.
Oh yeah, no pot or pan.
Okay.
We can use cast iron though. Cast iron can be used on this.
I mean, I don't need to heat up a pan or
Cast iron
anything.
pan. Okay. So.
We'll just take our chances. Look, no crab claws allowed.
Okay, well I guess we'll have to like try this because I don't think our
Stand
pans
your
will work on
bacon
it.
vertically.
Stand your. You're ridiculous. Okay, well at least we know that the LCD screen's not broken and it was our thing. There is no pot or pan or unsuitable pot pan on the induction hob. So, yeah.
Cool.
But the fans turn on, so that's promising.
Neat.
And just whenever we're in the rig and using it, we should use the child lock because
Agreed.
I get nervous. All right, cool. So that was our demo. I guess we're done.
Oh, I think I already did that.
Oh, did I turn it on?
Yeah. Off.
Why would it, the fan still, I thought you said
cooling
the
down.
only fan.
It's probably got to cool down.
I don't know what it was.
Because it turned on, so now it's going to it's like the air fryer. When it's finished, it still runs a little bit.
You say these things like I know how any of those contraptions work. All I know is that delicious food comes out of them, and I have a happy tummy. I just don't understand why the fan is still on. I don't feel like it got that warm. And it's not telling me what this OF means. Oh, okay,
We'll
so
figure it
here
out.
we go. The indicators show of, and the indicator on. After power on, the buzzer beeps once, and all the indicators light up for 1 second, and then go out. The indicators show OF, and then the indicator for the on-off will flash. So I think it actually thinks it's on.
No, I told you. Just
you're right.
cooling
Okay,
down.
fine. You're right. Okay.
Sometimes I just guess when I'm right.
Sometimes you guess and you're wrong, and I lived for those moments. All right, well, cool.
Should
Well,
happen at some point.
Huh?
Well, that'll happen at some point.
Oh, you're so cute. We've had 20 years together. It's happened. Actually, I guess we've had more than 20 years together, but...
Yep. Cool. All right.
All right, cool. So this is it. And then this week we'll go pick up the countertop. And hopefully we get this done in 2 weeks because you know us. Let's wait till the last damn minute.
Always.